Hello children, in previous class we have discussed about Bengaluru division. Today let us discuss about Mysuru division. Mysuru is another administrative division of our state. There are 8 districts in Mysuru division. Mysuru, Mandya, Hassan, Chikamagaluru, Udupi, Dakshina Kannada, Chamradnagara and Kodagu. Mysuru division is famous for rivers, mountain ranges, forests, wild animals, coffee plantations, coast and ports. Children, now let us study about history of Mysuru division. The history of Mysuru division begins with Ganga's rule. Talakadu was the capital of Gangas. Later, Mysuru came under the rule of Cholas, Hoysalas and Vijayanagara kings. Mysuru was under the rule of Wadiyars for many centuries. Mysuru is called Mahishanadu historically as well as mythologically. The goddess Parvati killed Mahishasura in the form of Chamundeshwari. The place where Mahisha was killed became Mysuru. Even today, if you go to the Mysore, there you can see the statue of Mahishasura in front of the Chamundeshwari temple. Yaduraya was the first ruler of Wadiyar dynasty. Most famous king of this dynasty was Chikkadevaraya Wadiyar. After the Chikkadevaraya Wadiyar, who came to the power, they were very weak. So, Hyder Ali was a military general. He took over the administration of Mysore. He and his son Tippu Sultan ruled the Mysore from 1761 to 1799. Tippu Sultan waged many wars against the Britishers. Tippu Sultan died in a war against the Britishers in 1799. Then the British handed over the administration back to Wadiyars. Krishnadevaraya Wadiyar IV undertook many developmental measures in the beginning of 20th century. He gave importance to education, culture and irrigation. The coastal area of Karnataka is called Tulunadu. Alupa dynasty ruled over Tulunadu. That includes the present Udupi and Dakshina Kannada districts from 7th century to 14th century. The coastal Karnataka was called Canara by the British. Coastal area means the interface between the land and sea. British divided coastal area into Uttara Kannada and Dakshina Kannada. Udupi district was created in 1997 by dividing Dakshina Kannada district. Children, now let us learn about natural resource of Mysuru division. Udupi and Dakshina Kannada district of this division have coastal areas. The Udupi district of Mysuru division receives highest rainfall, but Mandya district receives lowest rainfall. The food crops which are grown in Mysuru division are paddy, green gram, horse gram, maize, etc. Some of the wild animals are found in this forest are tiger, leopard, wild dogs, fox, bison, snakes, etc. The famous rivers of Mysuru division are Kaveri, Hemavati, Netravati, Kumaradhara, Vedavati, Kapila, Yagachi and Gangoli. Barachuki, Gaganachuki, Abbe Falls, Irpo Falls, Ebbe Falls are the famous waterfalls in this division. The famous minerals found in Mysuru division are bauxite, felsite, chromite, limestone, manganese, granite, etc. Next one is fishing. Fishing is an important occupation of people in the coastal areas. The coastal districts of Udupi and Dakshina Kannada are known for their fishing and have many ports. Coffee, sugarcane, tobacco, areca nut, cardamom, orange, cashew nuts and others are the major commercial crops of this division. Commercial crop is an agricultural crop which is grown to sell for profit. Chikamagaluru is famous for coffee plantation. The first coffee in India cultivated in Chikamagaluru district. Mysuru division is rich with natural resources. There are many types of forest in Kodagu, Dakshina Kannada, Mysuru and Chikamagaluru districts. Teak, sandalwood, honge, nandi, matti and other trees are available here. Children, now let us study about forest, wildlife, national parks. Mysore is a land of forest. Mysuru, Kodagu, Chikamagaluru and Hassan districts have dense forest. Bandipur, Nagrahole, Malemahadeshwara Betta and Pushpagiri are famous forest areas. The many tribal communities found in Mysuru division. They are Jenukuruba tribe lives in Mysuru, Koraga tribes lives in Dakshina Kannada and Udupi, Malekudiya tribals are found in Kodagu and Dakshina Kannada districts. Soliga tribe lives in Chamradnagar district. Children, which is our national animal? Tiger is our national animal. Tiger conservation project is in force in our state. Bandipur, Nagrahole and Bhadra are the 3 tiger projects of Mysuru division. Elephants are killed for their tusks and tigers are killed for their skin. Tusk, which means long pointed tooth. Elephant and tiger protection projects are implemented to protect them from poaching. Karnataka has the highest number of tigers in India. Mysuru division has the highest number of wildlife and bird sanctuaries in the state. Ranganatittu Bird Sanctuary, Gudavi Bird Sanctuary, Kokkarebelluru Bird Sanctuary are the major bird sanctuaries of Mysuru division. Melukote Wildlife Sanctuary, Male Mahadeshwara Wildlife Sanctuary, Pushpagiri Wildlife Sanctuary, Kaveri Wildlife Sanctuary are in this division. Children, now let us study about national parks of Mysuru division. Nagarahole National Park is in Mysuru. Nagarahole National Park is also known as Rajiv Gandhi National Park. Bandipur National Park is in Chamradnagar district. Wild elephants are tamed using the technique called Kedda operation. Kedda means a ditch which was used as a trap to capture many wild elephants. Agriculture and industries. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people in Mysuru division. Mysuru district is famous for silk. Kodagu, Hassan and Chikamagaluru are famous for coffee plantations. Mandya district is famous for sugarcane, whereas Udupi and Dakshina Kannada are known for cashew nuts, pepper, rubber and cardamom. The major food crops of Mysuru division are paddy, ragi, maize and various pulses. Coffee, sugarcane, cardamom, tobacco, potato, cashew nuts, cotton, orange and coconut are the commercial crops of Mysuru division, which will bring profit to the farmers. 4 irrigation projects provide irrigation facilities to the districts of Mysuru division. They are Krishnaraja Sagar, Harangi, Hemavati and Kabini. In order to facilitate better agricultural practices, various agricultural colleges and farms have been established. Mysuru, Mangaluru, Hassana, Chikamagaluru, Mandya and Madikeri are the major industrial centers of Mysuru division. The major industries of Mysuru division are pharmaceutical industry. Pharmaceutical, which means any kind of drug used for medicinal purpose. Next one is coffee curing industries, food processing industries, petroleum industries, chocolate producing industries, sugar and cement manufacturing industries, etc. Children, this is about agriculture and industries of Mysuru division. Thank you.